Okay, guys, we were correcting exercise 2 on the Express sheet. And we said at the end that we noticed from this question that there's a relation between division and multiplication. They are opposite to each other. Now, we will learn how do we write four equations, two multiplication sentences and two division sentences, and I will explain for you the relation between division and multiplication. For example, use 3, 5 and 15 to write two multiplication and two division sentences. We said that there's a relation between division and multiplication. If you look here at the multiplication table, do you know 3 times 5 equals how much? Yes, equals 15 from the multiplication table. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Now I will write second multiplication sentence. Also here it has to be multiply. Okay, if I reverse these two numbers together, 3 and 5, if I reverse them, switch them, 5 here and 3 here. 5 times 3 equals how much? Also it's the same, 15, same answer. So if we switch the numbers, the answer will not change. So in order to write two multiplication sentences, we can write 3 times 5, 15, or 5 times 3, 15. If we switch them, the answer will stay the same. Okay? Now we will write two division sentences. How do we write division sentences? We said from the previous exercise, division always we have to start here with the total number. So what is the total number here? 15. You will answer. So in the division we have to start with 15. So 15 up to 15 down. We can't start with 3 or 5. We have to start with the total number. 15 with total number. Okay? We will answer of multiplication. So 15 divided by. We said that division here opposite of multiplication. So you can choose 5, you can choose 3, whatever. Okay? Choose any number. If I choose 5 here, the answer will be 15 divided by 5. Answer will be how much? From the multiplication table will be 3. Why? In order to know how much, look at table 5. Which number in table 5 give us 15? It's a 3. So it's the third number. Now, in the second one, I will switch them like this one, the multiplication. Switch just these two. Choose a 3 here. 15 divided by 3, the answer will be the third. They will mean 5. So here, just switch the numbers, okay? So we will start with multiply, 3 times 5, 15. With division, we have to start with the total number. You can choose 5 or you can choose a 3. The answer will be the third number. If you choose 5, the answer will be 3. If you choose 3, the answer will be what? 5. Let's do now exercise 3 بالworksheet. هيدا هو exercise 3. Use 3, 6 and 18 to write two multiplication and division sentences, the same as the previous one. 3 times 6. Do you know 3 times 6 how much? Equals 18. Now I will write another multiplication sentence, but I will use just these three numbers, 3, 6, 18. I can't use more than 3, 6, or 18. I can't use a number different than 3 or 6 or 18. Okay. We said that by multiplication, if I switch the numbers, I will get the same answer. So in the second one, just reverse these two. 6 here and 3 here. 6 times 3, the same as 3 times 6. I will get the same answer, 18. With division sentences, always you have to start with the total number, you will 18. I can't write other than 18 at the beginning, okay? Now, the second one, you can choose 3, you can choose 6. I will use just 3, 6, and 18. We wrote here 18, so I will use 3 or 6. If I use 3, I will use 6 down. Okay? Type. The first one, I used 18, I used the 3. So which number I didn't write it 6? So the answer will be 6. And here, we used 18 and we used 6. The remaining number with 3. We write here 3. Okay? Now exercise 4. I will do the first part, the exercise 4. Okay? Then you will do the second part, the exercise 4 as a homework. Calculate mentally to complete the following, like the previous one. 9 times 4, 36. Here, هيدا الcolumn, you will use just 4, 9, 36. Okay? 9 times 4, we know it's 36. They wrote it for us. 36 divided by 4. Okay? Reverse the equation. 36 divided by 4. We know with third number, 9. So I will write here, 9. 4 times 9. It's the same as 9 times 4. So I will get the same answer, 36. Okay. Now, which number you divided by 9? We said that with division, we have to start with the total number. Which number here is the total number? With 36. So we have to start with 36. We wrote 36 and 9. Which number we didn't write it before? So here the answer will be third one. Now, we will use 3, 5, and 15. 3, write the numbers up. Numbers that I will use them. 3, 5, and 15. Okay. 15 divided by which number equals 3? Okay. So, they wrote 15, they wrote 3. Remaining number will 5. I will write 5. Or you can do it like this. 15 divided by which number equals 3? So as if I can look at the table, because we know that the division is opposite of multiplication. Which number in table 3 give us 15? 5. So it's 5. 3 times 5, the same as 5 times 3, and we will get the same answer with 15. Okay. Now, another division equation. Here we wrote 15 divided by 5. Now we have to write 15 divided by, switch these two, just here 3 and here 5. So just I'm switching the numbers. I can't use other than 3, 5, 15, okay? This we name it fact family of 3, 5, and 15. And here fact family of 4, 9, and 36. Now fact family of 9, 2, and 18. 9. So we will use just these three numbers. 18. Okay. Division equation. Division sentence. We have to start first with the biggest number, with total number, 18. I can't start with 9 or 2, 18. And here division, so we have to start with 18. دايما الديفيجن الفيرست number هو التوتال 18. طيب 18 divided by, now you can choose 2, you can choose 9, whatever. If you choose here 2, down you have to choose which number? 9. Here you wrote 2 and you wrote 18. The remaining number is 9. Here you wrote 18, you wrote 9. Which number is left? 2. We said that 9 times 2 will multiplication the same as 2 times 9. I will get the same answer, 18. The last one, also you will use just the numbers 4 to 7, which number also 28. Do you know 4 times 7 from the multiplication table equals how much? 28. Okay. 28 divided by which number equals 4? دايما بالdivision we have to start with the total اللي هو 28. Okay? طيب. Here We wrote 28, we wrote 4. Which number we didn't write? 7. So here it has to be what? 7. 4 times 7, the same as 7 times 4. We wrote here 28 divided by 7. So here we have to write 28 divided by 4. So choose other than 7, it's 4. The answer will be the third linguist step. Okay? It's so easy, guys. Just we are switching the numbers. And we can't use other than these numbers that are written up. Okay? So before you start, write the numbers up, the 3 numbers, then just reverse them in the equations. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.